Hello and welcome to my channel. I received this today. Let me just get the box open and show you. From a company called Millie, who have reached out to me recently and sent me this lovely soldering station. I'm just going to unbox it for you here now. And what's good about this soldering station is it works off the old batteries. Look. So what they've sent me is the soldering station itself. Actually a DC power supply if you don't have a battery, but I have plenty of batteries. And some soldering wire, of course. There we are. This is pretty good. It's got centigrade and Fahrenheit readings, you know. And you can set her for as high or low as she shows she's working off 20.2 volts, which is a fully charged battery. You can turn down the degrees or turn up the degrees on her. The little station set at 255 degrees centigrade. I'm going to attempt to solder onto this nickel strip and maybe solder a wire onto it then. We'll see how we get on. That's alright. That's pretty good. That is pretty good. These little soldering stations are on Amazon for about £40. I'm going to put the link in the description. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.